Good morning. Please hum. Oh, it could be like that, or whatever means you have to elicit a sense of awareness in one's chest. Finding inside of ourselves a sense of warmth, a sense of the majesty of creation of this biological organism we call ourselves Homo sapiens. Being aware is what mindful meditation is all about. Focusing one's mind is about focusing, if one likes, about themselves. This is the journey or the quest to become calm and to clear one's mind, to widen one's sense of perspective. So how do we go about doing that? By doing it, by practicing it. And we become better and better. And we remember more and more about how we are successful. Being in a state of awareness where one's body is shimmering with energy. Yes, we feel our heat. We have a sense of the energies emanating. We have our five senses to supplement and help us have a wider perception of our world, of ourselves, of our families, of our universe. These things are inherent in being alive, as is the vibration of life itself. Being in this, one's pulse as well, feeling one's pulse, allowing one's pulse to share with you its undulating aspect as the pressurized, oxygenated blood makes its way through one's circulatory system. Undulate in one's awareness, sparkle in one's pulse, rest, and become more and more calm in one's slowing, deeper breathing. Please, doing it this way, rested, in a posture comfortable, in an environment undisturbed, finding, making, creating this way, allowing, being receptive to one's own heart, one's own soul. They are always talking. Receptivity means to be listening, to pay attention. You are receptive to the waving, to the slightest breeze rising in one's own mind. And having this awareness triggered in one's mind, pause and have an examination of what it is inquiring your precious time. Rising with one's own witnessing, objective, understanding, decision-making processes, finding whatever it is one finds, and asking oneself, how can I make all of this better? Asking the 6 questions that define any subject. What, when, where? What, when, where? Oh, why? Who? How? 3 longer words, 3 shorter words. What, when, where? What, when, where? Who? Why? How? Define any subject matter. Seek and ye shall find. Ask, and so it shall be shown to you. Who do you think is both the asker and the answerer? It is you. It is your soul. It is the connected nature of our universe. There are no secrets here. The air we breathe is seething with energy, as are we. We speak of our shimmering majesty. Everything is in communication. Everything is joined. In this atmosphere upon a planet of Earth's nature, where there is water and gas and solids mixed so nicely, we have something we call an atmosphere filled with gases, seas, oceans, rivers, lakes, rain, and solid earth beneath our feet, from which we can do all kinds of wonderful things, has all kinds of capacities and capabilities and constituents, elements, for the possibility of our use. And what has happened upon this third planet from the sun's all? Life eventually began to form. Circumstances upon the face of this planet, if you will, at that point, this mass would be a better way of thinking of it. A molten mass of energy. And evolution continues to occur. We are the tip of the sphere of evolution today. You and me, all of us. And when one is looking in this way, in this perspective, the galaxy within we're living, the Milky Way galaxy, hundreds of millions of stars would make sense, at least hundreds of millions of planets. Right? Kind of like us. At least one for one. How many are within the orbit where the realm of possibilities of life being able to form are present? In this way, then, multiply times millions or billions or trillions of galaxies. It is this way. We need but examine what is, what we have found. These Hubble and James Webb telescopes tell us from the fringes of space, where they have been positioned to be able to see even further with greater definition, that through their telescopes' lenses, as they have been able to reach out farther and farther into the gulf of space we call our universe, galaxies continue to exist. There is no end that they can find. What sense of awe can we share? Being here in our own bodies upon this own world we call our own, though with the perspective we're sharing, it's not really ours. We can consider being responsible and a steward for our world because of our own intelligence, our own good fortune through evolution. We can do this for sure, and should, in my opinion. And this also includes being wise enough to learn from our past, You seek to learn meditation skills. And you, thereby definition, are looking for something to teach you from before. So let us look at all of history in all of its manifestations and ways, and changing our behavior day by day. It can be in little bits that we do this, you know. Hum in awareness. If every year you hold the line on one's budget, every year, you save 1% from what was the previous year's spending. You reduce it by 1%. It's not much, and it's not going to, in quote, kill anybody. There may be some grumbling, understandably. And yet, if we do this every year for 10 years, we have already saved 10% more of our money. Do not allow others nor oneself to deceive oneself or others through chicanery and foolishness and lies and exaggerations. You need not listen to others. Look and read to what has occurred in our past. What is human nature? What are we thinking of as individuals, families, communities, nations, religions, cultures, societies? What are we thinking? Where is our virtuosity? When it is perhaps now more than ever most needed. Remembering, we are a bundle of miracles, each of us. Remembering just of the majesty of one's own creation in awe. Humbling to be thinking these thoughts, sharing them. The reality of what is, beyond the scope of one's individual nest of responsibilities and joys, sorrows. Beyond this, into the universe of and from which we are always connected, if we but remember whom and what we are. Thankful we are here now. The music continues for another minute, shining in thy purpose. Through all the things that mankind has done, we need be proud as well as careful, is what we are saying. Mankind, Homo sapiens, listening. Please. Namaste.